Coming to you from the outside today. It's cold. I'm cold, you're cold. Here are 5 healthy drinks to keep you warm this winter time. Before we go any further, make sure you hit that subscribe button, click that bell so you never miss a new recipe or a new health tip. And remember, just because I am a kidney doctor, I am not your doctor, so make sure you discuss all health changes with your medical professional. I'm Dr. Blake Schusterman. I'm a board-certified kidney doctor, and I'm also the cooking doc. Do you ever find yourself cold in the wintertime and heading right for a warm drink to take off that chill, but you go for the pumpkin spice latte with lots of calories and lots of sugar, or a hot chocolate with full-fat milk and lots of added sugar and marshmallows? Well, those are great for occasional warm-you-up snacks and drinks, but those aren't healthy for the long run. So today I'm going to tell you my 5 best drinks, hot drinks, to keep you warm during the winter time. This first one is perfect for kids. It's a vanilla steamer. You can buy it at Starbucks with lots of sugar, or you can make it at home very easily following these quick, easy steps. I like to use oat milk because it's got a creamier, a little sweeter flavor. So I steam my oat milk first, and if you don't have a steamer at home, you could just warm it up on the stove. Then you mix it with a little bit of scraped vanilla bean, or just a 1/4 teaspoon of some vanilla extract. Throw in just a 1/4 teaspoon of maple syrup to make it a little sweet, but not too sweet. And you got a perfect vanilla steamer to warm you up on a cold day. Next, spiced apple cider. You could get apple juice or apple cider at the supermarket or at the apple field if you're picking apples, but those are typically filled with a lot of extra added sugar, somewhere between 24 and up to 40 grams of sugar per cup. I use my Instant Pot. If you don't have an Instant Pot, you could just let it sit and simmer all day on your stove, and your house will fill with some delicious spices. I take 4 to 6 medium apples, put them in the Instant Pot, along with 2 chopped small oranges or 1 large orange. We cover it with water all the way until you're just above the fruit. Then we add some cloves, a little star anise, some cinnamon sticks, a little brown sugar. We close the top, let it go for 15 minutes, pop the top off, mush down those apples and oranges to get out all the good flavors, and strain it and serve. If you want to spice it up a little bit more with a capful of some dark rum, it becomes a little bit better. Not for kids, obviously. Next, I'm talking about chai tea. And I'm not referring to the chai tea latte that you get at Starbucks, because that is packed with sugar. I'm talking about the chai tea you make at home. This is how I make it. I use a chai tea bag. Yeah, I don't think I have the expertise to make a good chai tea at home with my homemade spices, so I use a tea bag. It's relaxing, it's soothing, it's healthy. And if you want to add a little bit of honey to it, you can, or a little bit of warmed milk, of course, but it's much less sugar and much healthier than the chai tea latte you might get at Starbucks. If anybody has a great chai tea recipe out there for me to try at home with my own spices, comment, let me know. I'd love to try it at home. Fourth, this is the perfect one for if you're feeling a little bit like you got a scratchy throat or you got a little cough. So it's hot water, some slices of fresh ginger, a slice of lemon, and if you want to make it sweet, just a tiny bit, a dash of honey. Will coat your throat, will settle your stomach. It's very healthy, warm you up from the bones. That's a good one for that. Last but not least, my favorite, little cup of black coffee. It's the way I warm myself up every way. And did you know that black coffee is actually very healthy for you? At worst, a few cups of black coffee a day doesn't make your kidney disease any worse. Now, at best, drinking black coffee may actually protect your kidney function in the long run. That is the best case scenario because coffee is absolutely delicious. Thanks so much for watching today. I'm Dr. Blake, the Cooking Doc. Make sure you check out my website, thecookingdoc.co. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video, comment. What are your favorite drinks to keep you warm in the wintertime? Tell me how you make them healthy. Tell me how you make them delicious, and I will see you next time. This year, I have a special holiday sale until January 1st. You can get 50% off my ebook, The Cooking Docs, Kidney Healthy Cooking, a modern 10-step guide to preventing and managing kidney disease. In that book, I tell you everything I know as a kidney doctor about ways to change your diet to help protect your kidneys, delay dialysis, maintain kidney function if you are at risk for kidney disease with diabetes or high blood pressure. I also include 50 delicious recipes and teach you how to cook in a way that can protect your kidneys. Go check it out now.